Nothing kills the joy of driving a powerful diesel truck or a tuned sports sedan faster than a violent misfire. You press the gas, the engine shakes like it wants to jump out of the engine bay, and you might even see smoke pouring out the exhaust. When you plug in your scanner and see P2149, you're dealing with a Fuel Injector Group B circuit open. This sounds complicated, but let's break it down. Your engine computer, the ECM, fires your fuel injectors in groups or banks. This code means the computer has completely lost contact with the Group B injector. It is trying to send the signal to spray fuel, but the line is dead. This is super common on Cummins, Duramax, and Powerstroke engines because of how the wiring harnesses are routed. The Group B designation is tricky because you have to check your specific service manual to see which cylinders are considered Group B for your engine. It is not always just the even numbers or the passenger side. The severity here is high because if you're driving with a dead injector, you are dragging a dead cylinder, which destroys fuel economy and can damage the engine mounts and exhaust system. In my experience, this is almost always a wiring issue rather than a bad injector, especially on older trucks. The injector harnesses sit right on top of the hot engine valve covers. Over time, the vibration rubs the insulation off the wires until they break or short out. I want you to inspect the connectors going into the injectors. On some engines, like the Duramax, there is a known issue where the connector pins get loose. There is actually a fix called the ice pick trick where you tighten those pins back up. Grab your multimeter and set it to ohms. Unplug the injector and measure the resistance across the two pins on the injector itself. If you get a reading of 0 or infinity, the injector internal coil is bad. But if the injector tests fine, you need to trace that wiring harness back to the main computer. Look for pinch points, burns, or cuts. Fixing a broken wire is almost free. Replacing a set of injectors is incredibly expensive, so take the time to trace those lines.